myself here on my knees again, caught up in grace like an avalanche. Nothing compares to